If a coach or an info product owner stuck between $5,000 to $20,000 a month and wanted to scale 50,000 plus in the next 90 days, this video is your lifeline. I'm about to reveal a game-changing $1 million funnel system that will transform your coaching business, generate hundreds of qualified leads, book 40 to 50 ready-to-buy appointments every single month completely on autopilot. Stay tuned until the end because I have got some game-changing offer for you. But first, let's get real about your current struggle. You are drowning in low quality leads. You are wasting hours with unqualified prospect, staring at your empty sales calendar, watching your ads skyrocket, ad cost skyrocket day by day, seeing zero engagement in your live trainings. And the results you already know: minimal product consumption and mounting frustration. Now, how do I know that? Who am I? Why should you listen to me? My name is Firoz Paul, founder of Funnel Fuel. And for the past 3 years, I have been the secret weapon for coaches and consultants scaling their coaching business $10,000 to $100,000 a month with high profit margins and less stress because we take all the stress. So proof is not just talk. Look at this transformation. Okay, we have one of our clients went from making nothing to $200,000 a month, and yeah, another client went from making $5,000, less than $5,000, to making over $20,000 in less than a month. Another client we helped generate 93 school community members and made $58,000 in less than a month in 3 months. After working with multiple 5, 6, 7 figure clients, I have noticed that most of the coaches like you are doing base level thing, doing everything by books, running 3 day challenges, doing live webinars, building Facebook groups, daily social media content, networking calls. Here is the brutal reality: you are executing tactics without understanding the principles. Tactics like running 3 day challenge, influx of getting high ticket clients, which is, you already know, not working. Now the principle is, I'm going to show you. The coaching world has changed dramatically. We have gone from wow, this is new, to oof, another generic offer. Why? Because your potential client shifted from information deficit to information overload. Look around yourself. What do you see? Every single day there is new creator are in line. Creator are now giving away more value than most paid courses. Your once unique information is now free. You know, and you already know you are selling to an aware market. That's why we are in a recession. It's not a simple recession. We are in a trust recession. And at this point, you might be thinking, Firoz, what can I do? What is the solution? I got you. The solution is simple. The solution is in this three simple step system, which I call a $1 million system, which I implement for my clients to make them $10,000, $20,000 to $100,000 a month. Now, what is this three simple step system? I'll walk you through each and every step. First is strategical content marketing. Second is high conversion VSN funnel. Third is commodity distribution channel. Now let's just understand these three steps, okay, in depth. But our promise is we will build this entire system for you, taking all the heavy lifting off your shoulders and help you hit $50,000 in the next 60 to 90 days. So first talk about this strategic content marketing. What is this? There is two type of marketing channels. First is organic, second is ads. Organic you already using, where you post your organic content, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube, and drive that traffic to your main offer. Okay, but we are going to use it strategically, because we use your organic uh, post, and take the best performing organic content, create ads around that content with the similar script and messaging, and then amplify your message using paid ad. Okay, that's why we are going to use both of them, but strategically. We are amplifying your message and attract more of your dream customer, because ads are predictable, organics are not predictable. you know and for the less than $20 a day, you can educate your dream customer, address objections, and significantly increase the likelihood they book, show, and pay you in advance. So we are going to use both of them, but strategically. Now the second step is high conversion VSL funnel. You already know VSL funnel, video sales letter. Top top coaches in your industry, in any industry, top 1% coaches, they have some sort of video sales letter to explaining their dream buyers who they are, what they provide. Okay, so that when they their customer get on a call with them, they have clear understanding in their mind that what we are going to get inside that one-on-one call. That's why we use this VSL funnel, which is three-step funnel. In first step, we have some sort of lead magnet, because in exchange that lead magnet, our customers, our leads are going to give us the information, their name, email address, and everything. And later we are using that information to uh, sending the campaigns, email campaigns, and everything. Okay. First step is using as a lead magnet. Second step is a VSL, uh, where we have a VSL sales page video explaining about your offer, and the third step is to book a call with you directly. But it's not that simple, straightforward, because we are going to use some filters so that you end up taking calls with only uh, potential buyers who are ready to buy your high ticket coaching programs. Okay. So yeah, we build this low fidelity MVP funnel, VSL funnel, to book appointments with ready to buy prospects. Then third and last step is community distribution channel. Again, top 1% coaches are using this community distribution channel. That means they have some sort of Facebook group or school community with emails campaigns set up in a backend, so that when any leads come into their network, they join their community, inner community, because that's what separate them into this crowded space. Okay, your inner circle, in inner community, and they have email campaigns set up to warm up them, to give them the updates, to you know say to book a call with them. Okay. And yeah, so I call this community distribution channel. This is the front end, this is the back end. Okay. Now, which is like, this community distribution channel is very important in today's research, trust recession we are in right now. And I call this three-step system, simple three-step system, which I implement, install in my clients' coaching business, and help them to generate $10,000, $20,000 to $100,000 a month. Okay. Now, this is a simple. Now, this simple three-step system is easy to manage, but it's not as easy to set up. Okay. Those who don't, however, will quickly fall behind those who do. So the question is, do you have the time to figure it out by yourself? How many hours will you waste trying to implement just one component, let alone all four? What if we help you customize and install this three-step system in your business without any waste of time? Because on an average, it took us to launch this system in within 15 to 20 days of working with us. Okay. We are not going to change everything for you. Okay. We first identify what's working and what not, and simply mold the system around that. Because the thing that I show you is the big idea, and that is not necessary that exactly this system will implement in your coaching business. That's not the case. That's why we are going to mold it accordingly. The same that generate our client $1 million in total revenue in the last 2 years with 70 to 80% of the profit margins. Our team will help you to set up everything so that you can do what you love doing the most, which is teaching and selling your coaching programs. Okay. So what do you need to do? Just book your customized roadmap call directly with me. Okay. So I help you to audit your current marketing system, marketing process, identify growth bottlenecks, show you exactly how we will install this game changing funnel in your business. Okay. If you are serious about consistently generating 50,000 plus through your high ticket coaching offers, book your call now. And if you are still skeptical, I got you. These are some of the campaigns we launch for our clients. Like we spend 1,181 and we generate 183 qualified leads with $6.46 cost per results. These are the results for our clients: $5,000 monthly recurring revenue, 700 plus leads in 24 days. You can check out all these testimonials and results on my website, company website, www.funnelfuel.com. Okay, after watching this video and after booking a call with me, you can check it out, this my company website. And what you need to do, just book a call with me. Worst case scenario, we are going to lay out the next 3 to 4 steps that you can take right after the call. You walk away with the clear roadmap. Best case scenario, we work with you, we bring you 50,000 plus in your coaching business. you know but anyway, there is no real risk in you booking a call. The only risk here is doing nothing and waiting for your customer acquisition cost go up every single passing day, because there is more and more competition are entering in the market. Even if you are not sure that if you are qualified or not, I suggest you to book a call anyway, because it is the first same step that all my clients took before making tens of thousands of dollars with high profit margins and living a life of freedom. Remember, we are only taking maximum 3 to 4 clients every month, because our team will do all the heavy lifting for you. We are not looking to pressure, to pressure you into anything. Will If we think that this system will work for you, we will tell you. Okay, so if this is interesting for you, go ahead and book a call with me, and I'll see you inside that call. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.